Happy New Year everyone, and welcome to part 4 of Clash of Engines series. Today we'll talk about player movement. First start by going to edit and then player setting. Scroll down to find input under the engine section. Click the plus sign next to action mapping to create 3 new actions. Name the first Maha attack. The second Maha jump. And the last drop fruit. To create more keys for this action group, click on the plus icon next to Maha attack. Bend the Z and left mouse button for the Maha attack group. Now for Maha jump, we will use 3 keys. Space, up and W. For drop fruit, we only need 2 keys, which are X and right mouse button. Now that we are done with action mapping, create a new axis mapping by clicking on the plus icon next to it. Name it movement and add 3 more keys to it. Axis can have a value assigned to the key, so we want the value to be positive when we move into the right and negative if we are moving to the left. Change the first 2 keys to right arrow and the D key. Now assign left arrow and A for the last 2 keys. And give them a negative value, -1 for example. Make sure everything is correct and close the window. Now we will move to the blueprint, which is the visual scripting solution for Unreal Engine. Under the blueprint folder, double click on Maha blueprint. On the event graph viewport, click and drag to select all the nodes and delete them. Right click to create a new node. Right move and you will find the movement under input axis event. And right click again to create a new node. Right, add move. A node named add movement input will show up. Selected, move the node to a suitable place. Connect the execution bin of the movement to the add movement input node and the axis value to the scale value. Change the X value of the world direction to 1. Save and click the level 1 tab. Click on play, then click on viewport. You will see now that the character moves right and left. Now we need the character to turn its face to the direction it moves at. Click escape to stop. Go back to Maha blueprint tab. Right click to add a compare float node. Connect the execution of add movement input node to the compare float node. Create a new boolean variable to indicate if the character is facing right or not. We will name it facing right. Drag and drop the variable to event graph. Or right click and write the variable name and select set facing right. Connect the greater than execution bin to the execution bin of the first facing right node. Connect the compare float less than execution bin to the second facing right node. Right click and check context sensitivity search and write set control. Now select Set Control Rotation. Click and drag the Set Control Rotation target pin to auto-connect the created node to it and limit the context of the search. Right Get Control and select the Get Controller node. Repeat the same thing for the new rotation pin. Just change the selected node to Make Rotator. Now connect the execution pin of the first facing right to the Set Control Rotation node. Check the box of the first facing right node to set it to true. Click and drag to select the Set Control Rotation node and the node connected to its pins and copy and paste them. Connect the execution pin of the second facing right node to the second Set Control Rotation node. Now go back to the movement node and connect its axis value pin to the input pin of the compare float node. Double click anywhere on the connection to create a control point for the wire. Click and drag the point as you see fit. Change the yaw or the Z of the second Make Rotator to 180. Zoom out using the mouse wheel. Click and drag to select all the nodes, then click C to group them. Rename the group to Movement. Save and go back to Level 1 tab. Click Play and you can see that when you click the left arrow or the D, you see that the screen go black. That's because of the rotation of the camera. To fix that, go back to Maha Blueprint, then go to the Viewport tab, then click on the spring arm and under camera setting and check Inherit yaw. Then save and go back to Level 1 tab. Click Play and you can see that the problem is fixed. This is the end of this part. In the next part, we will add jumping functionality and hopefully animation. Thank you for watching. Your support means a lot to us. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. If you face any problem or you have any topic you would like us to cover, let us know in the comment below. Link to the full version of the game and assets used are available in the description below. Also click the bell icon to stay up to date and for more game development joy, check our sister channel, Game Maker in Arabic.